Hello, my name is Yuri. In this video, I would like to speak about building the release workflow in Jira. Unfortunately, out of the box, Jira provides very limited capabilities for managing a release workflow. We can define a few statuses, like unreleased, released, and archived. Definitely, it's not enough to manage releases in an efficient way. But fortunately, this problem could be easily solved by a wide range of plugins that are available to Jira. Let's navigate to Atlassian Marketplace, type release management in search, and pick the most popular plugin in this area. After the plugin is installed, a release management menu item will be available in Apps menu, and by clicking on it, we will navigate to Release Management app. A release management operates with a release board. On release board, we can consolidate releases from multiple Jira projects and manage them in the single place. Let's create our first board. As soon as the release board is created, we will start seeing all releases from all selected projects there. First of all, we can see fixed versions like this one, and if we click at this version, we can navigate and see scope. Each card is not an issue, it's a version or a release from the project. We can also create and manage cross-project releases. Just select multiple projects here and the release management will do all the job under the hood. We can edit sprints. It will be good for vanilla Scrum team to release after each sprint. We can edit epics. And in addition, we can create virtual version, which will be based on free GQL. Finally, we reach the point when we can start configuring our release workflow. You may already found that I have created my release workflow from initiation till production, and also I can see status of each release on my board. Let's see how we can change it and adjust from the board settings. All the release workflow configuration could be found on version workflow. You can see all statuses. Also, mapping of the statuses to legacy, unreleased and released Jira statuses, and also color, which will be associated with the status. We can easily change order, create new, or remove existing status by using this menu. As soon as all statuses are defined, we can start configuring transition that will be allowed between the statuses. We can click at Manage button and see what transitions are currently added and add new transitions between selected statuses. For each transition, we can configure a restriction to define our quality gates and rules when those transitions could be executed. We can define people or group of people who can execute transition. We can run dynamic GQL against our release scope and evaluate result. If result will match certain condition, and based on that, we can deny it or allow transition. The good example would be checking if there are any open bugs before moving to higher environment. Also, we can check if a release is deployed or not deployed to certain environment. And the last but not least, we can check property value and validate result based on that. For instance, we can check if rollback plan is filled and only after that allow transition. Getting back to the board, I would like to admit that defined workflow will be applied for any release type on the board. For fixed version from the project, cross-project version, sprint, epic, virtual version, it will help us to define unified release management workflow for the whole company and ensure all rules and validation for any teams which will be involved. It does not matter if the team will be using Kanban, Scrum, any other agile framework, or even waterfall. Release management flow will be unified and defined on the company level. So let's summarize. Jira out of the box has very limited capabilities to configure workflow. It could be only released, unreleased, and archived statuses. In order to fix this problem, we would need to use Marketplace app, release management for Jira. With release management, we can get releases from multiple projects, show them on the single board, define workflow, transition, and apply a restriction on transition. That's it for today, and thank you very much for watching this video till the end. If you want to learn more, please schedule free demo session or subscribe to our channel, because new videos will be coming. Have a great day, bye!